Good morning students. Today we will learn about the running. There are three types of running: short distance running, middle distance running and long distance running. Now start with the very first, middle distance running. Running is divided into three groups which are organized in 400-meter track: short distance running, middle distance running and long distance running. Previously you studied short distance running. Now we will learn middle distance running. Middle distance running included 800 meter and 1500 meter running. In 800 meter run, competitors run 2 rounds, whereas in 1500 meter run, he or she runs 3 rounds. It means 3 full rounds and 1 3/4 round. There are 2 methods of running in 800 meter run. 1. All competitors take standing start from the starting line. In this method, all the competitors run all together. And second, in second method, all the competitors run up to first curve in their own lanes and then they can go to the first lane. Now the turn of the skill of 800 meter and 1500 meter running skills. Number 1, start. Second, running style. Third, position of the body. And fourth, finish. Now very first, the start. In 800 meters and 1500 meters run, competitors take standing start. Runners starts running on sound of clapper or pistol. Means starter will give first command of "on your mark." As soon as all competitors get ready behind the starting line, starter will sound with clapper or pistol. Second, running style. There are different types of running style. In middle distance running, the starting strides are short. As the speed increases, the strides become longer. At the similar speeds, strides are also similar. In the end of running, strides will be longer and speedy. The speed should be increased according to one's efficiency. Competitors should cross the finish line with maximum speed. Third, position of the body. Coordination of different parts of the body like hands, legs and types of the track, etc. are very important in completing of middle distance running. There are 3 types of movement, position of the body. The very first, position of the hands. Both hands are bent from the elbow according to law of pendulum. If hands are short, then motion will be more, and if hands are long, then motion will be slow. Position of the leg. While running, movement of both the legs will be forward, backward and parallel to each other. When legs come forward, lift in it such a way that thigh oft become a parallel to the ground, and then The leg should be forwarded, straight, and rhythm of hands. Position of trunk. While running, angle of trunk will be approximately at 25 degree. Balance may be lost if you bend your body more forward, and if you keep your body straight, it will obstruct your speed. And skill number 4, finish. There are 3 types of finish. Number 1, run through. Second, torso finish. Third one, shoulder finish. Relay race. Generally, competitions organized on the track are individual events, but relay races are held on track yet are team event. At the international level, 4x100 meters and 4x400 meters relay races are organized on tracks for men and women. We will learn here 4x100 meters relay race. 4x100 meters relay race. In this relay race, 4 players of one team will be run 100 meters by one alternatives and complete the 400 meters distance. During running, baton is handed over to their partner in sequence. This relay race is very speedy and action of change of baton provides entertainment to spectators. In this relay, run baton is used, so it is also called baton relay race. Baton shall be a smooth hollow tube, circular in section, made of wood, metal or any other rigid material. The length of the baton shall be 28 to 30 centimeter. The outside diameter shall be 1.2 centimeter to 1.3 centimeter and it shall not weigh less than 50 grams. Now the turn of skill of relay race. There are 3 types of skills in 4x100 meters relay. First, start. Second, baton exchange, and third, finish. The very first, start. In relay race, first runner among the team in 4 will be take a start from behind the starting line. Very important, crunch start is compulsory in this race. There are 3 types of crunch start. Bunch or bullet start, medium start, elongated start. Now the turn of baton exchange. In relay race, the first runner passes the baton to the second runner. The second runner will be passed to the third and third to the fourth. This action is called baton exchange. This should be performed in baton exchange zone only. Length of baton exchange zone is 20 meter. There are 2 methods of baton exchange, visual method and non-visual method. The very first, visual method. exchange the baton is seen by both incoming runner and outgoing runner. Second one, non-visual method. In this running, only the incoming runner can see the action of exchange. The exchange of baton is done in three ways. There are three ways in baton exchange. Very first, cup shape method. Second, the upswing method. And third one, the palm held skywards method. Now, the third skill of finish. The fourth runner of the relay team will cross the finish line. The fourth runner of the relay team will cross the finish line with maximum speed, like short distance running with baton in hand. All the competitors in relay race competition should keep in mind a few movement rules, which are as follow.